Hey everyone, so it's been so long since I filmed a video, but hopefully I'm gonna get back in the groove again, starting with today's sub reveal. So this is the sub that just went out. It has the November theme to it, and what I usually do is I reveal the sticker kit first, and then I'll reveal the stationery sub after because it has the mystery item, and a lot of customers like to be surprised. So I'll make sure to warn you before I show the mystery items and stuff. So underneath this card is a sticker kit, and this card is actually just the freebie card or like the packaging card that goes out with every order. It says Cozy Vibes with our information on the back. And then here's the actual kit. So if you subscribe to our sticker kit, this is the full sticker kit. And you usually don't get this. I'm going to explain this in a second. But again, like I said, it's November theme and pumpkin season. First, you always get this add-on sheet. So it has 4 full boxes. This is like cooking, you know, kind of like a Thanksgiving kind of vibe. And then this is shopping for Black Friday or just shopping for Christmas presents, because I know a lot of us get started in November. And then this here is a really cute, like above shot of Thanksgiving dinner or just like a family dinner or something like that. And then this is a really pretty like kitchen fall decor type scenery. And then this black sticker strip at the bottom just says eat, shop, and be thankful. So I thought that was really cute for November. So sheet A has your hand lettered monthly sticker and then some deco, your circle icons, and then usually these top 2 change for the month. This is for Labor Day, a little ribbon flag, and then a turkey for Thanksgiving if you celebrate. These headers are in a brown color, and then you have 2 skinny strips of washi here in green. So there's 2 of them, and those are really great for marking off like a series of days, or you can use it for dividers, headers, and stuff like that. And then you have 2 standard strips of washi at the bottom. So here's where this comes in. This is actually an error. This marble was from our October sticker kit, and somehow on some of the sheet A's it got mixed up and the marble stayed here, and it's supposed to be this really cute plaid design. So that was what was supposed to be here at the bottom. So instead of reprinting the whole sheets, I just printed extra strips and put them in the sticker kits that had this marble design at the bottom. So again, this is just 2 of our standard size washi strips. And then sheet B are your full boxes. So you have just 8 full boxes with a bunch of deco for fall / Thanksgiving. And then you have some header strips down here, 4 of those, and then some mini flags. And then sheet C are your quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, checklists, and check boxes. And then sheet D are your headers, 2-tone labels, and graph trackers here. There's faint lines on the graph trackers to go along with these markers here. I like to use them for tracking my sleep. You could use them for tracking work hours or exercise or anything like that. And then some more circle icons along the side. So if you subscribe to our full sticker kit, those are all the sheets that you got in that kit. And then if you subscribe to our mini sticker kit, you would get the add-on sheet A and then sheet E, which has 4 full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, half boxes, header strips at the bottom, so there's 4 of them, and then some checklists along the side. All of our sticker kits are available on transparent sticker paper as well, in case you didn't know. So those are the sticker kits, and now I'm going to show you guys the stationery kit, which does have the mystery item in it. But first, I'll show you guys the cards. So you always get a monthly card. This was for November and has Monday through Sunday on one side and then Sunday through Saturday on the other side. There's lines on the bottom to write any notes. I use transparent dots to mark super important dates that I want to keep an eye on. And then here's the planner card or journaling card. This is actually a quote by Snoop Dogg, and I just want to read it to you guys really quick. It says, "I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work. I want to thank me for never quitting. I want to thank me for always being a giver and trying to give more than I receive. I want to thank me for trying to do more right than wrong. I want to thank me for being me at all times." And so if you're on TikTok or Instagram, you might have seen this kind of like the sound and people using it, and it's really funny. But I really thought it would be cool to use it as a planner card for the November themed sub. You know, we always talk about being grateful and thankful for our family, our blessings, our friends, you know, all those things. But often we don't talk about being thankful for everything we've done for ourselves and for our life. So I thought this was really cool to include, and as a reminder to all of us to remember all the hard work we have done, you know, in our lives and for the people we love. So it's kind of funny, but also I think a super great reminder. It actually goes a couple lines longer. It goes on to say something like, "Snoop Dogg, you're a bad MF," if you know what that means. And I thought that was so cool. I was gonna put like, "Sis, you're a bad MF," or something like that. But even without that last line, I think it's really cool. So I hope you guys like that. And then here are the two vellums. This one is that same plaid design that was on the sticker kit. And then this really pretty kind of like vintagey looking fall design with leaves and acorns and stuff. So our mystery item for our November themed sub are these tombos and transparent dots. So we have this thing in our shop where we do color matching. So the tombos we carry in the shop, we try to make transparent dots that match. So I decided to do green and brown because number one, I've always been getting requests to bring green to the shop. It's a great neutral color when it's in this like more muted, darker green, but also people like to use it for finances. And then I chose brown because I always wanted to redo the brown that we carry in the shop, make it a little bit more deeper brown, like a more true brown. Plus, green and brown are really great colors for November and fall. So let me show you guys how it looks side by side. So here's the brown and here's the green. So pretty. This green is like the perfect green I was looking for. And then here are the color dots. Pretty spot on. So that's how it looks. So yeah, I'm excited to bring these two colors to the shop, and they'll be like staples in our shop as well as these color dots. So you'll be able to find them throughout the year. So those are our November themed subs. Extras of these subs will be listed in the shop on Friday, October 13th at 12 Pacific. The Sub Love discount code has been already sent to all our current monthly subscribers, so you can get a discount on the sub extras on that day as well. These subs are closed, but spots for our December themed sub are now open on the website. I'll put all this information in the description box below. Feel free to comment or email with any questions. Thank you so much for watching. It's good to be back, and hopefully I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.